Are you looking to get unlimited coins and diamond on the Poppo live streaming app? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the secret Mod APK to getting unlimited diamonds and coins in just a few simple steps. Now, I click to my diamond. After click, you can see I have unlimited diamonds. Now I'm go back and I click to my coins. Now after clicked, you can have unlimited coins. So if you want this Mod APK, then go to video description. In video description, you can see the download link. Now click the download link. After click the download link, you will become in this website. Now go down and find the download button. Now see here the download button. Download this Mod APK. After download, go to Play Store and download Z Archive app. After download, open the app. And to download folder, but first uninstalled your old Poppo live streaming app. Then install the Mod APK and enjoy unlimited coins and diamond. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks.